Hello everybody, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how to take the token of Sales Navigator to put it in Derrick. So here, let's see, when you open Derrick, you have to go to settings and you select this, and here you will have to put the token. So there are two ways to grab this token. The second way, will be the easiest way. So I recommend to do this. But let me show you first the first way. So you go to Sales Navigator, you connect, and then you click here, right click, inspect, and you go in application here, then storage, cookies, linkedin.com, and here you search for li_at. Here I have it just here. And I have to select this code and to copy and paste it here. And that's it. It's really easy. And then let me show you the second way. You go to in Google and you search Derrick LIAT importer Chrome, and you select this in Chrome Store, the second one, and you go add to Chrome, add, and then you just have to go to your extension. Where is it? This one. And that's it. You have it here. You just have to copy and paste it here. If you're not connected to Sales Navigator, the extension won't be able to find it. So you have to be connected to Sales Navigator. That's it. If you like the video, you can put a thumbs up. And if you have any question, you can comment the video. And see you in next video. Bye!